Okay, so today we are going to be preparing some Tetrakis Pyridine silver dichromate. You can see here it's a bright orange powder. I prepared the sample yesterday just to test it out, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. So this compound can be used to oxidize alcohols to aldehydes without over-oxidizing them to carboxylic acids. You're only going to need three things for this reaction, being potassium dichromate, silver nitrate, and pyridine. The pyridine and silver nitrate I made myself, and the potassium dichromate I just bought online. Okay, so in this beaker I have 1.7 grams of silver nitrate, and in this beaker I have 1.5 grams of potassium dichromate, and to the potassium dichromate I'm going to add 6 mils of water. You're going to have to heat this up to get it to fully dissolve, and to the silver nitrate I'm going to add 4 mils of water. That will fully dissolve it. So I'm just going to get that dissolved up and start heating and stirring the potassium dichromate solution. Okay, now I'm going to add 4 mils of pyridine to the silver nitrate solution. You can see it turns a slightly blue color. I'm just going to mix that around a bit. Alright, now I'm going to add the silver nitrate and pyridine mixture into the potassium dichromate mixture with stirring on. Last time I did this just by dumping in all of the solution into the dichromate, and that worked, but it created kind of like a fine powder like you saw and some chunks. So this time I'm going to try dripping it in and see if I get crystals, because that would be nice. You can already see it starting to form. It's quite a heavy precipitant and it likes to stick to the bottom. It's already slogging down the stir bar a bit. Alright, now I'll just let that stir for a minute or two, and then I'm going to vacuum filter it off. Alright, I'm washing it with water to get rid of any of the remaining dichromate or silver nitrate or potassium nitrate that formed. So I'm just going to wash it twice with a bit of water, and then I'm going to wash it with ether so it dries faster. Alright, now I'm going to wash it up with a bit of ether. Just a little bit. Pull some of the water away. Alright, well, here's our product. It's a nice, bright orange solid. Once it dries up, it becomes a free-flowing powder, as you can see here. Right now, it's wet, so it's a paste-like substance, but once that dries out, I'm going to store it up in the vial, and there we are. Lovely. Tetrakis Pyridine silver dichromate.